this module, we will quickly answer the question, what is material lead time in the world of material requirements planning? Material lead time is a planning factor that many ERP and MRP systems use to plan and calculate the amount of time required to produce a product. While the material lead time is generally not the total lead time, it does make up a portion of it. Material lead time refers to the time needed for raw materials to arrive from your suppliers. The material lead time is one of the hardest to keep up to date in MRP, and yet is one of the most crucial for ensuring that production can start on schedule. This is because materials are generally provided by your external supply chain, and many times you don't have much influence over your vendor's production. With this in mind, it is important that the material lead times in your system are as accurate as possible. You should use both quantitative and qualitative forecasting techniques for these times. Another powerful method for keeping accurate material lead times is to ensure that open and transparent lines of communication occur regularly with your vendors within your supply chain. And that's it. Material lead times. We'll see you in the next module.